Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters of the world. It is a Tangalangala Baba temple. Today, 4 August 2026, on Tuesday, after returning of my point, 59 past 1 o'clock. Please listen to me. My written poem, Tangalangala. Time now 36 past 1 o'clock. Temperature is 4 to 5 degree. At Tanglangla Baba temple, at least one day night halt without fear. Nothing objection for staying, but need to take rest here. The blessings of the God. Generally, visitors come here to visit great atmospheric attracts to them. Low temperature but high breath, living supporting oxygen most important. All beautiful mountain sceneries, attractions for the visitors only in Ladakh. Near to heart, dear to people. Never forget the Union Territory, Ladakh. Great the land of Lama. Gives us everything through the attitude. Look at the scenery. Learn to the lesson from it. Always nature gives you pleasure. At least you give him his value of beauty without heart. श्रीहरी नारायण नमस्ते गौड़ा रोडे कोड़ासुर भयंकरी सर्व पाप हरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमस्ते. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. श्री हरि नारायण वासुदेव हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. Thank you all of you. गोविंदाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय नमो नमः.